Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Today we're making a mushroom gravy using organic ingredients for more flavor and nutrients. This is a quick meal if you're vegetarian, or if not, pour it on top of a porterhouse steak and enjoy either way. Ingredients are 5 tablespoons unsalted butter cut into cubes, 1 medium to large onion, your choice of color, white or purple, 1 cup sliced white button mushrooms or brown, or whatever you can find. Those two are the main ones in my region. A quarter cup unbleached white baker's flour, 2 cups vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons soy-free soy sauce, and sprinkle sea salt. Step 1. In a wok or large frying pan, melt butter, then add the onion first to cook for a bit, then add the mushrooms. Saute over a medium-high heat until the mushrooms are cooked. They will lose water and shrink. Then add the flour and stir for a few minutes until it becomes dry. It should absorb the mushroom and onion liquid. Step 2. Reduce the heat to medium-low, then add the vegetable broth, soy-free soy sauce and sea salt, stirring to prevent any lumps from forming. Step 3. Bring to a simmer for 2 minutes until it thickens up, then reduce the heat again to low, stirring slowly and frequently. Step 4. The gravy will look thin while boiling, but when it fully browns you can turn off the heat and allow it to cool. Once cool, it will slightly thicken and form a skin on top, but it can be easily removed with a spoon or stir it in. I highly recommend using this as a side dish. It smells so good, it's a great addition to a steak. Or if you're not a meat fan, why not try it with ricotta cheese? Enjoy and be seeing you.